Namaste. In the serene environment of temples, lush greenery, and nature's calm, Santamira English Medium School Hindalga nurtures young minds where knowledge and values grow together. Education here shapes character, culture, and compassion. Each morning begins with the gentle flames of Agnihotra, filling the air with purity. Daily shlokas are chanted, creating a spiritual rhythm in students' lives. Students are guided traditionally with stotras and arti, promoting knowledge and culture. Santamira English Medium School's year-long journey of education is rooted in culture, values, and holistic development. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Hare Paramatmane Pranatakleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Santamira English Medium School, Hindalga, welcomed the year 2024-25 with its grand annual day, themed Pancha Parivartan, 5 transformations. A warm welcome to the dignitaries set the tone for an evening of inspiration. Pancha Parivartan initiative focuses on Samajik Samarasta, Kutumba Prabodhan, Paryavaran Saurakshan, Swadeshi and Swa, Nagrik Kartavya. These 5 transformations represented limitless possibilities and confidence in the future. The segment also highlighted responsibilities of citizens and their dedication to the social contribution. A 10-day educational shibir was held at Santamira English Medium School, Angol, conducted by Vidyabharati, Karnataka. It was a meaningful and inspiring experience that helped teachers grow in mind, body, and spirit through activities like yoga, meditation, Vedic maths, cultural sessions, and NEP 2020. An AI workshop was led by Sauchetana Sarang. Teachers learned the basics of AI, its classroom applications, and its role in personalizing learning. A workshop for pre-primary teachers on November 29, 2025 focused on creative and value-based learning. The Aatman program focuses on strengthening the inner qualities of students: confidence, communication, discipline, gratitude, leadership, and emotional balance. Sri Prasad Pandit Ji, an actor and speaker, shares real-life stories and practical tools to help students grow into responsible, resilient individuals every month. It is a combination of spirituality and science. The Jeevan Sangeet session was attended by teachers and management. The entire session was delivered through music, making the learning experience enjoyable, engaging, and emotionally connective. Snehal Rayamane Ji, an IAS officer from Belagavi, guided the students on how to chase their dreams with determination and discipline. She interacted warmly with the students and shared that joining the IAS has made her more patient, focused, and compassionate. An event was organized by Janakalyan Trust Sanchalit titled Sapta Shakti, 7 Strengths of Womanhood, the Power Behind Prosperous Bharat. This year's summer camp was a vibrant learning platform full of creativity, discipline, and skill building. The camp offered training in musical instruments, Mallakhamb, rope Mallakhamb, karate, lathi-kati, and lacing. The Saptarishi Program aims at holistic personality development through ancient Indian wisdom. Mentors well known in their fields guide the students and teachers. 7 clubs like Chanakya Itihasa Sangha, Vikram Sarabhai Science Sangha, Panini Language Sangha, Parashar Agricultural Sangha, and Bharat Muni Arts Sangha are formed to promote learning. So Asha Bhujbal Tai and so Vidya Kammar Tai were awarded the Best Teacher Award by Bharat Vikas Parishad. Sejal Domle and Piyush Kulkarni were awarded Best Student Awards. Our students Kumar Vaishnav Vadkar and Vignesh Manurkar stood first in the Bharat Ko Jano quiz and were qualified for the state level. Our students also excelled in academics, Sanskrit, Bhagavad Gita, art, music, sports, values and leadership. Yogaha Karmasu Kaushalam. Our students excelled in the Vidyabharati district sports meet, wherein Santamira English Medium School Hindalga was the host for the sports meet. 900 students participated in Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, volleyball, athletics, badminton and yoga. The school proudly celebrated the achievements of students selected for the Vidyabharati Nationals Mallakhamb and rope Mallakhamb competition held in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. The selected students are Srishantaya Hiremat, Khandu Patil, Prithviraj Patil, Nandan Kadam, Samarth Nargun, Jayavardhan Patil, Gunjan Chawgule, Nakusha Kadolkar and Tanishka Bambure. These students were congratulated by the management, principal, teachers and parents for their dedication, discipline and extraordinary performance. Activities such as cleanliness drive, Matru committee sessions and Sanskrit Sarla exams were conducted. 28 students attended the exam and passed with distinction. Janani Janmabhumisha Swargadapi Gariyasi. 2025, the school celebrated many national and cultural events like Republic Day, Independence Day, Yoga Day, Guru Purnima, Vidyarambha. It is the beginning of education for the toddlers. Students took part in the Homa dedicated to Goddess Saraswati and recited sacred shlokas. Parents of pre-primary students also attended the function. Later, the school commenced with the Ashadi Ekadasi celebration. It was a rich ritual, an occasion of faith, devotion and unity. Krishna Janmashtami was also celebrated with enthusiasm. Events like the Vikas Varga and Scouts and Guides where students visited the Pargat Fort area added to joyful experiences. The farewell ceremony of the first batch of SSLC students was a heartfelt and memorable occasion, marking the beginning of a new journey for the outgoing batch. Librarian Day and a Sanskrit radio program titled Venudwani were broadcasted on KLE FM radio. Principal R.P. Patil, Sanskrit Acharya Charu Hasini Bhave, Amruta Sindagi, music teacher Sashank Nazare and students participated in the recording. It was a proud moment for the school showcasing students' talent on a citywide platform. Meditation sessions and the Deepotsav Celebration strengthen mental wellness and cultural spirit. Teachers, parents and students celebrated Deepotsav by lighting diyas, sharing farar with joy and happiness. Celebrations such as National Education Day, Children's Day and tribute to Padma Shri Salu Marada Timmakka inspired students towards environmental awareness, value-based education and joy. The school conducted the Paramveer Vandana program, emphasizing the significance of the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest honor for bravery. Students of Standard 10th offered floral tributes to Paramveer Chakra awardees. The vibrant annual sports meet showcased teamwork and discipline through march past, torch lighting, drills and competitions for all grades. Picnics offered students joy, learning and a refreshing break from academics. They helped students learn teamwork, sharing, discipline and appreciation of nature. The students of our school recently visited the Science Center and nearby industrial unit at Aqua Walls, an educational tour designed to enhance their practical understanding of science, technology and real-world applications. Santamira English Medium School Hindalga continues to nurture knowledge, culture, compassion and character, lighting the path for generations with learning, spirituality, sports, arts and social values integrated into daily life. The school embodies holistic education, a place of hope, growth and inspiration. धन्यवाद.